One, three, two, one. There it is. I got these.
Okay.
The green one's here because he likes it.
Alright.
What? Mine!
They have no light on today because it's warm enough. I'm having to repaint this. I will pick up one of the new selfies here. Do you remember these? Don't they look funny? Like they have.
Ow, my
It's okay.
It's okay. Did you get Owie? Did he just scare you? Okay.
This one looks
Getting in there? Okay, Nana, help. Watch fingers.
Watch fingers!
Okay. Here we go.
How do we do this?
I would just throw it out there in the grass.
They pick it up, then they drop it.
That's on.
What? What?
Okay.
What? Small one.
They love tomatoes, you guys.
Mandy! I see an egg. I see one.
You guys want to take some home today?
Wow, I didn't know that was it. I didn't know it. Mandy! Oh, man!
Alright. Where that egg basket is. I started to change out
Don't
my
drop it.
Tuesday.
Really?
Let's go around back. Since your dad was little.
Wow. Did Daddy ride it?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Are you taking that rock home? It's a good painting rock. Whoa!